Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your strength training techniques, you've come to the right place. Our goal is to make fitness accessible, enjoyable, and effective for everyone. So let's dive right in and start this journey together. Today, we're jumping into the world of strength training, especially for beginners. Strength training is an essential part of any fitness routine. It helps build muscle, improve bone density, and boost your overall health. But starting out can be intimidating, and that's why we're here to guide you every step of the way. We'll break down the basics and show you that anyone can start strength training, no matter your current fitness level. Whether you're new to exercise or just want to build some muscle, this video is your guide to getting started. We'll cover everything from the importance of proper form to the best beginner exercises. You'll learn how to perform each move safely and effectively, ensuring you get the most out of your workouts. Plus, we'll share tips on how to stay motivated and make strength training a regular part of your routine. We'll cover the basic exercises and techniques you need to know. These foundational moves are the building blocks of any strength training program. By mastering them, you'll set yourself up for success and prevent injuries. We'll demonstrate each exercise step by step so you can follow along and practice at your own pace. Remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weights. It's about doing each exercise correctly and consistently. No fancy gyms or complicated routines needed. We're keeping it simple, effective, and fun. You can do these exercises at home with minimal equipment, making it easy to fit workouts into your busy schedule. We'll show you how to use household items as weights and how to create a workout space in your living room or garage. The key is to make strength training a habit, and we'll help you find ways to incorporate it into your daily life. Remember, strength training isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling strong and healthy. It's about building confidence and improving your quality of life. When you feel strong, you can tackle everyday tasks with ease and enjoy a more active lifestyle. Plus, strength training has mental health benefits too, helping to reduce stress and boost your mood. So, let's embrace this journey and celebrate every milestone along the way. It helps your muscles and bones get stronger, and it feels great when you finish a workout. So let's do this. We're here to support you, cheer you on, and help you achieve your fitness goals. Remember, every rep counts and every workout brings you one step closer to a stronger, healthier you. Let's get started and make this journey a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Ready? Let's go. Okay everyone, let's start with the most important exercise, the squat. Squats are often referred to as the king of all exercises, and for good reason. They are incredibly effective at building strength and muscle mass in the lower body. Not only do they target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, but they also engage your core and lower back muscles, making them a comprehensive full-body workout. Whether you're an athlete, a bodybuilder, or just someone looking to stay fit, squats should be a staple in your exercise routine. This exercise is the base of any good strength training program. It's versatile and can be modified to suit any fitness level. You can perform squats with just your body weight, or you can add resistance with dumbbells, kettlebells, or a barbell. The key is to maintain proper form to maximize the benefits and minimize the risk of injury. A personal trainer can be incredibly helpful in ensuring you're doing squats correctly, especially if you're new to this exercise. It works your legs, your butt, and even your core. When you squat, you're not just working your lower body, you're also engaging your core muscles to stabilize your torso. This makes squats an excellent exercise for improving overall strength and stability. Additionally, squats can help improve your balance and coordination, which are essential for everyday activities and athletic performance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly out. This stance provides a stable base and allows for a full range of motion. Your feet should be firmly planted on the ground, and your weight should be evenly distributed across your heels and the balls of your feet. Proper foot positioning is crucial for maintaining balance and ensuring that you're targeting the right muscles. Keep your core tight, chest up, and push your hips back as you lower down like you're sitting in a chair. Imagine you're about to sit down on a chair that's just out of reach. This will help you maintain the correct posture and engage the right muscles. Your knees should track over your toes, and your back should remain straight throughout the movement. Avoid rounding your back or letting your knees cave in, as this can lead to injury. Remember, good form is important. It's better to do fewer reps with perfect form than to do more reps with poor form. Quality over quantity is the key to getting the most out of your squats. If you're unsure about your form, consider working with a trainer or using a mirror to check your alignment. Proper form not only maximizes the effectiveness of the exercise, but also helps prevent injuries. Go as low as you can comfortably, but keep your back straight. The depth of your squat will depend on your flexibility and strength. Ideally, you want to lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or even lower if you can do so without compromising your form. Deep squats can be more challenging but offer greater benefits in terms of muscle activation and flexibility. However, never sacrifice form for depth. As you come up, push through your heels, squeezing your glutes at the top. This ensures that you're engaging your glute muscles and not just relying on your quadriceps. Pushing through your heels also helps maintain balance and stability. As you rise, keep your chest up and your core engaged. Finish the movement by fully extending your hips and standing tall. This final squeeze of the glutes is crucial for maximizing muscle activation. Start with bodyweight squats and add weights as you get stronger. If you're new to squats, begin with just your body weight to master the form. Once you're comfortable, you can gradually add resistance to increase the challenge. Dumbbells, kettlebells, and barbells are all great options for adding weight. Remember to increase the weight gradually to avoid overloading your muscles and joints. Consistency is key, so make squats a regular part of your workout routine. Trust me, doing a heavy squat feels amazing. There's a sense of accomplishment that comes with lifting heavy weights and pushing your limits. Not only will you see physical improvements, but you'll also gain confidence and mental toughness. Squats are more than just an exercise. They're a testament to your strength and determination. So keep challenging yourself and enjoy the journey to becoming stronger and fitter. Next, let's do some push-ups. This classic exercise is great for your upper body, working your chest, shoulders, and the back of your arms. Start in a plank position, hands a little wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Lower your body down, keeping your core tight and your back straight. Push back up to the starting position. Remember, control and form are important. If you're starting out, you can do push-ups on your knees. It's okay to start easy and build up strength. As you get stronger, you can try harder push-ups. Chapter 3. Deadlifts. Lifting heavy, living strong. Now let's do deadlifts. Deadlifts are one of the most effective exercises for building overall strength and power. They target multiple muscle groups and are a staple in any serious strength training program. Whether you're an athlete, a bodybuilder, or just someone looking to get stronger, deadlifts can help you achieve your goals. This exercise works your entire back, your butt, and the back of your legs. When you perform a deadlift, you're engaging your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and even your core. It's a full body movement that requires coordination and strength. The benefits of deadlifting go beyond just muscle building. It also improves your posture and helps prevent injuries by strengthening the muscles around your spine. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, a barbell in front of you. Your stance is crucial for a successful deadlift. Make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground and your toes are pointing slightly outward. This will give you a stable base to lift from. Position the barbell over the middle of your feet, so it's close to your shins. This setup will help you maintain balance and control throughout the lift. Bend down with a straight back and tight core, and hold the bar with an overhand grip, a little wider than your shoulders. Keeping your back straight and your core tight is essential to avoid injury. As you bend down, push your hips back and keep your chest up. Your grip on the bar should be firm, with your hands placed just outside your knees. This will help you lift the bar efficiently and safely. Lift the bar by standing up, keeping the bar close to your body. As you lift, drive through your heels and extend your hips and knees simultaneously. The bar should travel in a straight line, staying close to your body. This minimizes the strain on your lower back and maximizes the efficiency of the lift. Keep your core engaged and your back straight throughout the movement. Stand tall with your chest up and shoulders back. At the top of the lift, your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels. Your chest should be up, and your shoulders should be back and down. This is the lockout position, where you fully extend your hips and knees. Holding this position for a moment ensures that you've completed the lift correctly. Deadlifts are about power and control, so start with a weight you can lift with good form. It's important to choose a weight that challenges you, but still allows you to maintain proper form. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the weight. Remember, quality over quantity. Lifting with poor form can lead to injuries, so always prioritize technique. Conquering a heavy deadlift is a powerful feeling. There's nothing quite like the sense of accomplishment you get from lifting a heavy weight off the ground. It's a testament to your hard work and dedication, so keep pushing yourself, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey of getting stronger every day. Chapter 4. Row your way to a stronger back. Now let's work our backs with bent over rows. This exercise builds your upper back and biceps. Grab some dumbbells and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight and core tight. Let the dumbbells hang down. Pull the dumbbells towards your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top. Remember, control is key. As you get stronger, you can increase the weight. Outro your strength training journey starts now, so there you have it. 4 exercises to start your strength training. Remember, doing it regularly is important. Aim for 2 to 3 workouts per week, and let your body rest between sessions. Listen to your body, challenge yourself, and have fun. Building strength takes time, but it's worth it. You'll feel more confident, more energetic, and ready for anything. Now go out there, do your workouts, and remember, you can do this.